Hi, in this video I want to show you how to transcribe your existing audio files using Whisper Memos. So Whisper Memos is a audio transcription app which typically works by recording your voice memos and then it sends you emails of what was said. But in this case I want to show you how to use it with your existing files. So first of all, go to wherever your files are stored. In this example, I'm going to use files. But you might have them in Apple's voice memos or some other voice recording app. In this case, I have an existing file which has M4A format. Now, Whisper Memos supports all audio formats. So this can be any type of file. It can be MP3, it can be uncompressed, it can be even one of more exotic file formats, such as OGG or WebM. We're just going to use this M4A file, and the easiest thing you can do is find your share menu. So share menu would be in any app, including files, including voice memos, including anything else. So I'm just going to tap share. It's going to offer me a couple options, and I'll pick Whisper Memos. Now, if Whisper Memos is not showing here, tap on more and just make sure that Whisper Memos is at the top. I'll pick Whisper Memos in this case, and this will import the file and it'll tell me to open the app to start processing. So let's go to Whisper Memos app. And as you can see, my file is showing up now, it's being processed, and in just a few seconds, it's going to show us the transcription. All right, let's just delete this and I'll show you once again what other options you have how to transcribe it. The second way to do it is go to Files again, but instead of tapping Share, there's an easier way even. You can just tap Open With, and here you have an option to open it directly in Whisper Memos. The same thing will happen, is going to be processed, and you're going to see the transcription in just a few seconds. But that's not all. There's more ways how to do it. I'll go back to Files, and the third way is that you long press and you copy your file. Now your file is in your clipboard, so you can open Whisper Memos, and it's going to detect a file in your keyboard. If I allow paste, it's going to offer me to import the audio, which is already in my keyboard. I'll do that, and once again, my file is being processed. And the fourth and final way to get your file into Whisper Memos is using this little plus button in the upper left corner. I'll tap here, and it's going to give me a little presentation about everything I already explained to you, about all these possible ways to import your audio. But if it's easier for you, you can just tap Select File right here, and that is going to open an inline file browser. So if I go to my browser, once again, I can pick one of the files. I'll just pick my testing file again, and this is going to be once again imported, processed, and in a few seconds, I'll see the transcription. So these are 4 ways how you can transcribe your existing audio files using Whisper Memos.